Hello everyone and welcome to another video by Dan Solutions. Now today you might be wondering, if you go onto my website, how I got this fantastic video, as you can see. And it goes dansolutions.tk. Now there's some music to this, but as you can see it's quite a good introduction. Now how I got this is I am Mac was just driving me mad. Sorry, I'm going to take you to the actual web page. How I got that is I went to a website in the description. It's called templatemonster.com. There you go, to www.templatemonster.com. Then what I've done is clicked on slash intro templates. Then you can see there's loads and loads and loads of templates here. But as you can see, there's only one drawback: the price. I know how to download these and change the text without buying them. So pretend you're looking at them and pretend you like I like the look of the one which I had is just so you know, is a Rolo creative agency. I'm going to use Open Emotions. I will actually click on it and you'd say I don't actually like that one, I might try this one. You got to get, let's have a little look at Artistic Works. I don't like this one. You can see you get a sort of introduction for it, you can see what it is. Play intro. I might like that. Might like that video. So I feel like that'd be a bit too funny, so I'm going to use just to show you Rolo Creative Agency for the sake of doing it. Now the best ones to actually do are the ones which come up, let's say, there we go. So I'm going to use Flash Intro 22187. Now let's say click for preview, you can see it opens in a new tab, Flash Intro Preview at scrtemplatemonster.com. You might be getting a preview like I am here. If you're not, all you have to do is you have to copy this address in the top bar here. Copy that address. Now I'm very sorry if you hate Internet Explorer, but for this next step you've got to open up Internet Explorer and in the top address bar you've got to go to that link. Now this is the Flash Intro preview for it, as you can see. This is the intro for it. As you can see it's still loading, but it doesn't really matter, you just wait till it loads and you can see when it's loaded. Just say play intro. You can see you might like that intro, or if you don't, it does not actually matter particularly. So, oh, it's all loud, let's turn it down a bit, sorry about that. Just going to really loud right down my earphones. You go to tools to get this, you go down to internet options. Then when you get a new window open, you say browsing history and you say settings. Then you'll say in temporary internet files and history setting, this window here. You say view files, then you can close both of these windows. And you can just close. Now, this is a good, you can see you'll then get a window open. And you'll get loads of these cookies and all sorts. It's really hard to find the two files which you want in there. All you have to do is you use the code which is 22187. Copy that, 22187.html, copy that. And then you go to temporary internet files and you're going to paste it in the search box 22187. And you can see you'll get some files here. And the two files that you're after is not the HTML file, but the 22187.swf and the 22187 main XML. So you're going to copy them, and then you're going to close out of everything you can now do. And then what you're going to do is when you've closed out of Internet Explorer, you're going to go to your desktop, and you're going to drag the slider right to the end, and then you're going to make a new folder, and you're going to call this new folder whatever you want. So I'm going to call this new folder my introduction. I'm very sorry for the slow speed of the computer. My intro, I'm going to call this folder, so new folder, and I can call this folder my intro. Call this one my intro. When you've got my intro, you can then, when you've got my intro, when it does actually decide to work, sorry about the really slow computer speed, I'm gonna get my computer sorted out for the next video, which I do. When you get the file, you're gonna open it, and then into that you're going to paste the two files which you had. Now, when you get your folder, i.e. my intro, open, you will place two files inside. Put into copy on two items. Now, when you get these two files, you need to put a renaming. So first of all, rename the 22187-X. You can just click F2 to do that. Sorry about everything responded. You need to get rid of the what do they call them, bracket, the 1 and the bracket. I'm going to pause the video, wait for Windows Explorer to actually restart, and so sorry for that. After you've taken out the that sign, you can leave it in the SPF one, but you've got to take it out of this one. You need to change the text in, because at the moment it's going to play what you've just played. You should go to File, and I'm going to open it with Notepad++. It's the best text to do this in. If you've not got it, don't worry. You don't really need it. You can open it in Notepad, but Notepad++ is so much easier. So you'll get this when it'll say all this blah 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 blah. Now, as you can see where you've got text, boost up your business, so you can rename these to whatever you want. So I can put dansolutions.tk. and then you can rename the rest of them, so a good future for your company. Rename, removing the limitations, you rename long-lasting partnerships, all of that. And then what you need to do is, you see the last two, business.co, you will put Dan Solutions, you put your name of your YouTube account, and then you put proudly presents the book, so then the video would say Dan Solutions, I believe that proudly presents. Proudly presents, like that. I'm just going to fill them in, and you can get filled them in too if you follow me in the video. So after you've filled in them, you will click Save, or you go to File and you'll say Save. Now when you've done that, you can close out and you can see these two files you're going to put on your website. So you can do this in a simple FTP server. I'm going to make a video after this on how to set up an FTP server. I can make your own website. So you go to, should say, create directory. I'm going to show you this in your video, how to make your own FTP server up and make your own website. So you can call it whatever you want. I might call this one video intro. Intro should then open the file intro, and then you drag these two files here and you drag them on top of it. Then it'll say put in X amount, and then it'll start to transfer over the thingy, the other one, the SWF video. Now this can take quite some time, so again, like you've always been doing with the video. Oh, it's already done it. Huh. I had to pause the video now, but it's now done it. Oh no, so it's still working away. Still working away. There you go. It's working away. Because this is taking so long for some reason, I'm going to pause the video until it's done it. We're almost halfway there. And now we're almost done. So when it's transferred to the SWF file, you can actually watch it now by going to, the best thing to do is to actually, just so it's easy to find, you can't take out the code, but you can take out that one thing again. So you need to copy, you can just say rename, and then you can just copy the name of it. So you're going to go, open up the internet, you're going to go to your website, /intro. So we can do that now. You should go to your website name, So for example, dansolutions.zzl.org/intro. You can watch this one, by the way, / the name of the SWF file. You can see if you go to that, you get the loading thing as you saw on the website. Now I don't think the full screen option works. I don't know why it doesn't work if you do it this way. Hey, at least it works, so that's a good thing. So you can see it's done it. And to 100% you'd say play intro. And then you'd see what you've just got here. Quite good, really. You will find something if you can't view the sound on here. And by the way, if you might like it to actually, it's quite clever with the instructions on it, and remember you got it for free. It could have cost you $500 on this. There you go. Successful video. Translution power presents. By the way, if you want to put a link on this to somewhere else, all you have to do, like to the next page, what you'd do is you can see where it's got right at the top here, website URL. You can put in whatever website it is, www.google.co.uk, and then you've got to change the false to true, 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 so it can redirect. Now if I was to change the again, delete that, and then you drag in the updated one. When it goes on, you can now reload the page, and when the video finished, and very sad, you got to watch it all over again. When the video finished, it would take you to google.co.uk. It's just I've done it wrong. It just takes you to the hosting page. It will take you to the right one. So now in the next video after this on YouTube, you will see one about how to set up your own hosting account, FTP.